Welcome to Exploring the Depths of Inner Peace, a guide to various meditation techniques. In this video, we will delve into the different types of meditation that can help you achieve tranquility and find inner calm. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about mindfulness meditation. This technique focuses on being fully present in the moment, observing your thoughts without judgment. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension. Next, we have loving kindness meditation. This practice cultivates compassion for yourself and others. Close your eyes and repeat these words silently: "May I be happy, may others be happy." Feel the warmth of kindness expanding within. Moving on, we have transcendental meditation. By silently repeating a mantra, you enter a state of deep relaxation and heightened awareness. Find a comfortable position and let your mind transcend to a place of peace. Now, let's explore guided visualization. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a serene environment. Perhaps a peaceful beach or a lush forest. Absorb the sights, sounds, and sensations of this imagery, allowing your mind to find solace within. Kundalini meditation is another powerful technique. By awakening the dormant energy within, you can achieve a state of higher consciousness. Allow the energy to flow through your body, revitalizing and rejuvenating you from within. Lastly, we have movement meditation. Engage in gentle, mindful movements that promote body-mind connection. Whether it's yoga, tai chi, or walking meditation, let the rhythmic motions guide you towards a profound sense of inner peace. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to meditate. What matters most is finding a technique that resonates with you. Take your time, experiment, and enjoy the journey towards inner peace. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.